Hello and welcome to We Are Fin, the Farnborough International News Network. We're in Hamburg this week and we've been exploring everything to do with aircraft interiors, from the latest innovations in connectivity, lighting and seating to trends in food, retail and new materials. These are Fin's highlights. Monday's Passenger Experience Conference focused on improving passenger experience and tapping new revenues. We looked to the future with visionary concepts such as Hyperloop and the world's first space line, and considered how aerospace increasingly needs to think of itself as part of the overall transportation ecosystem. Passengers expect a seamless journey via train, plane and automobile when they travel.
The basic idea of mobility as a service in short mass concept is to combine all the different transport modes, so it can be also air companies and so on. So we try to gather public transportation, different taxi services, car services, and whatever innovation enters the transport sector.
More than ever, aviation is taking inspiration from all kinds of different industries to give passengers what they want.
We're almost looking at every possibility all the time. It's just the way we work. So if you think you've seen something somewhere that somebody's doing, chances are there's someone in Boeing that's looking at it.
When AIX opened its doors on Tuesday, exhibitors from all over the world showed us how they're putting the theories into action. Adient and Boeing showcased prototypes for lie-flat business class seats following the announcement of their proposed joint venture earlier this year. Adient will transfer what it's learned in automotive to aerospace. STG Aerospace announced the launch of the latest version of its Light Mood LED lighting system, which offers fully customizable animated scenes, such as a sunset or the Northern Lights, and a selection of over 16 million colours.
Lighting's probably the most fundamental thing you can give a passenger and a crew member to make their flight more relaxing and more enjoyable. We believe lighting shouldn't be seen, it should be felt.
Flight Track showed how the IoT trend is taking hold in aerospace, with potentially limitless applications if we can get the standards right. The company launched its air monitoring system, which can smell harmful substances in the air and works alongside its smart seats.
We can integrate it with cabin temperature, humidity. We can monitor the passenger movement on each one of the seats, so we can identify when we've got agitated passengers, potentially unwell passengers. And in the not too distant future, there may be a chance that we can hook into Fitbit or Apple Watches to do that.
Meanwhile, Stratasys unveiled its new 3D printing material, Anterio 800NA, a high-performance thermoplastic for 3D printing high-temperature, chemically exposed parts, such as those in aerospace. It can be used with the company's Fortus 900MC aircraft interior certification solution, the 3D printer specifically designed for printing aircraft interiors. And it's not only about passengers either. Bose released new headphones which are the first active noise-cancelling headsets designed for professional pilots on business jets or airlines. They are a third lighter than the previous model, have less clamp and are less noise-cancelling. We also got a glimpse of the cabin of the future, from Li-Fi connectivity to airborne cooking robots, standing seats and more. So there we are, you heard it here first. Now for the latest on everything, not just from Hamburg, but of course everything to do with aviation and aerospace, get online now and subscribe to all our videos at wearefin.com.